Stop, thief! Stop! Stop, thief!
Stop, thief! All this for a gigantic diamond?
You won't get away that easy.
You think that was easy?
Getting into trouble a little early today, aren't we? I mean...
Trouble? Ah! You're only in trouble if you get caught!
My fruit! That was one for the highlight reel, eh, Al?
This should cover the damage.
We'll take him from here, boy.
No need to thank us or anything.
All's well that ends well. What kind of fruits are these?
Guavas, the purest in Agrabah.
That's what I thought! Oh, this is bad!
So you're a little sticky. What, would it kill you to take a shower?
Al, it's guava juice! See? It's starting already!
Ah, he's cute. What's starting?
Oh, guava juice is the only thing that can give a genie a cold. And when genies get colds... we can't control our magic!
Everybody gets cold, Genie.
But my magic!
I don't think kittens and balloons are anything to worry about. Come on, let's get you some nice hot tea.
Well, okay. But it might get worse.
Gotcha.
I can't take it anymore!
Sorry, Genie. I thought the sun would do you some good.
Do me some good! Al, I'm dangerous! This is the small stuff, Al. It's bound to get worse. Much worse.
Oh, poor Genie. You will get over it, won't you?
Oh, sure. Genie colds don't last long. A century or two, tops. If we're lucky, it's one of those 24-year bugs.
What?
What?
Wait. Is 100 years a long time to you guys or not? Oh, I keep forgetting.
Ah, he's just fishing for sympathy.
Oh, poor Genie.
Please, cry me a river.
Oh, you're suggesting I enjoy this?
I'm sorry you don't feel well, Genie.
It won't, kill you, will it?
No, but your health might take a turn for the worse. Oh! Whoops.
I'm starting to see your point. We have to find a cure.
Oh, I don't know if there is one.
Somebody must know how to cure you.
Cure him? Forget it. You need the, Orb of Machina to do that.
The what?
The Orb of nothing. I didn't say a thing. I was singing to myself. Orb of Machina. Quick on the draw. Ah!
You know the cure, don't you?
No. Don't make me tell. It's dangerous. I'm allergic to danger. I break out dead.